Stock screen. Product custom fields. NuEPOS comes with many different fields that you can apply for each product. However, there may be times when you need to add your own. You can create as many fields as you want. So let's do an example. Stock functions, stock manager. Press search. And if we click on Jack Daniels there and press edit product, as you can see, there are a lot of different fields against each product that you can use. However, not everything is there. One particular example, as you may see, is colour. We don't have a field to put what colour the product is. So how do we add new fields? What we do is we go to Setup Tools, and it's on the first one there, Edit Custom Fields. Click on that. And here you can make up your own fields for products. So if we click Add New Field, we have a choice of 6 different types. The last one is much more for advanced customers in SQL. So if you need to use that one, please contact us. So we've got the first one, which is a text or string. So colour would be a good example for that one. Red, green, blue. Integer, in other words, a whole number. So you can't have a decimal point in it. Decimal, any large decimal or small decimal, negative numbers, anything like that you can put in. So 3.94, it goes up to 4 decimal places. A date/time, so you can put in a date. It doesn't have to have a time if you don't want to, but you do have the option. Image or data, or true or false, also known as a boolean or a bit. Now I'm just going to choose text. Okay, nice and simple. There is no limit to how large the text could be. So the text could be 10 characters long, or it could be unlimited. It's up to you. We press tick. Then it says enter field name. So I'm going to put in colour. Like that. That's the British spelling. If you're American, use CLOR. Change default field. So as you can see, the default value is blank, which is what I want. But you can have it so that you've got a different default. It would work well with numbers. So if the number is always 10, all values are 10 unless you specify otherwise. So if you could even put in changed none if you wanted to. So all the values are none, and then you change them if you want to. So I'm going to close that. Do another search. So now that we have a new field, we can now add it as a column. Okay, so our first job is to go layout, edit, and I'm just going to click on that search and click on property fields. That will build in colour into it now. So now hopefully if I press search, I should be able to filter and see colour. So you could say this one, colour black. This one could be red. This one could be green. That's all you have to do. You can also go back to edit layout and add these as columns. So if I put C, colour, tick, tick, maybe 80 wide, and close, press search, I will now see all the colours. I can still type in these values if I want to. And that's all you have to do. We could also click edit product and go to custom. And you can edit it there as well if you want to. Good uses are for, say, wine. You could add multiple columns for, say, the year, the vintage, the location where it was sourced. It just depends on what the product is, you know. So if it was shoes, you could say shoe size. If it was a t-shirt, you may say size and colour. So you could have multiple extended fields. So again, you can create as many as you want, just create them all in there, and they can be of any of those different types.